Hi, this is Taylor from JT's Vending. Wanted to encourage you with the end of the year of 2023 coming up to look back at your 2023 finances. Do you want to be where you are now? The answer is no. Let us help you. Let your 2024 finances be the new you. We have 2 programs, one for teens and young adults called our ACER program, a Step Into Reality, and we have a program for adults called a Prosperity for Abundance. We want you to be the best financial version of yourself. Let us guide you in setting a budget, how to shop, how to get control of your finances and start winning for the year 2024. We wish you a happy new year, and as always, stay faithful.
Hi, this is Taylor from JT's Vending. Today I'm going to talk about what Christmas means to me, my love. I'm going to start with reading a passage from one of our favorite Christmas books, favorite Christmas movies, is How a Grinch Stole Christmas. And the Grinch, with his Grinch feet ice cold in the snow, stood puzzling and puzzling. How could it be so? It came without ribbons, it came without tags, it came without packages, boxes, and bags. And he puzzled 3 hours till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before. Maybe Christmas, he thought, doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more. It's easy to get into the rush of the Christmas season. The lights, the advertisements, the rush, the social media, things that just pressure us to buy. Buy the big gifts, the expensive gifts. Let's see how many presents we can get under the tree. Oh, look, this is better. Mine is better. This is bigger. It's in our nature as parents to want the best for our kids and to make our kids happy. And while there is a time and place for that, I'm not saying that having lots of gifts is inherently bad. What can cause a problem is if you go broke trying to make your kids happy. It's okay to set a budget for Christmas. It's okay to not have stacks and stacks of presents underneath the tree. Looking back, some of my fondest memories of growing up, of Christmas times, of holiday times, was not about what was under the tree, but more importantly, who was around it. Just spend time and quality time and to slow down and be with my family. It is something in the Hilliard household that we strive to do with our children too. Like the Grinch said, maybe for Christmas to mean a little bit more, maybe Christmas doesn't have to come from a store. Thank y'all, and Merry Christmas.